Cardano ADA hangs out in the crypto space with a logical improvement approach, utilizing a three-layer engineering and the energy-effective Ouroboros evidence of stake agreement calculation. Its remarkable highlights incorporate companion inspected improvement, a depository framework for decentralized navigation, and a promise to interoperability, making Cardano a solid, eco-accommodating, and comprehensive blockchain stage. On the off chance that you're searching for Cardano cost expectations gauge for 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of Cardano ADA will go from here on out, we will break down the past costs of Cardano ADA and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you really want to take this forecast and each and every expectation with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master investigators. Also, foreseeing something so amazing is totally incomprehensible. Yet, we will make an honest effort. How about we start? Cardano outline. Cardano is a conspicuous cryptographic money and blockchain stage known for its logical way to deal with improvement. Established by Ethereum Prime supporter Charles Hoskinson, Cardano carries out a three-layer engineering to upgrade versatility and adaptability. Its remarkable Ouroboros evidence of stake agreement calculation empowers secure exchanges and approval through marking, offering a more energy-effective option in contrast to conventional confirmation of work frameworks. How Cardano functions. 1. Cardano Settlement Layer CSL. The CSL is answerable for dealing with ADA exchanges and works on the Ouroboros agreement calculation. This layer guarantees secure and productive shared exchanges inside the ADA organization. 2. Cardano Calculation Layer CCL. The CCL is intended to oblige savvy contracts and decentralized applications dApps. Cardano means to give a protected and versatile climate for designers to make creative arrangements on its blockchain. 3. Cardano Control Layer. The control layer oversees the convention's development through decentralized direction. ADA executes a depository framework, permitting the local area to propose and decide on convention updates. This popularity-based approach guarantees an aggregate and comprehensive improvement process. We foresee future Cardano cost expectations are to gauge by applying profound man-made brainpower help specialized investigation on the past value information of Cardano. We give a valiant effort to gather greatest verifiable information for the ADA coin, which incorporate numerous boundaries like past value, Cardano market cap, Cardano volume, and barely any more. Assuming you are hoping to put resources into computerized cryptographic forms of money and need great profit from your ventures, try to peruse our forecasts. Cardano Value Forecast Synopsis. Long-haul investigation proposes that Cardano cost might actually flood to follow 520.02 by 2050. The negative cost expectation for Cardano ADA in 2025 is $0.8888, with a likely high of $103. The ongoing business sector cost of one Cardano is $0.48608. Cardano ADA is expected to arrive at a greatest cost of $737 continuously 2030. The cost of one ADA would reach as high as $408.95 by 2040. Cardano Value Expectation 2024. The cost of Cardano is anticipated to reach at least worth of $5.901 in 2024. The Cardano cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $0.6599 with the typical exchanging cost of $6,086 all through 2024. Cardano Value Forecast 2025. The cost of one Cardano is supposed to reach at any rate level of $0.8888 in 2025. The ADA cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $103 with the typical cost of $0.9993 all through 2025. ADA Value Estimate for 2026. According to the Gauge and Specialized Examination, in 2026 the cost of Cardano is supposed to reach at least value worth of $128. The ADA cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $153 with the typical worth of $132. Cardano ADA Value Expectation 2027. Cardano cost is figured to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $0.96 in 2027. According to our discoveries, the ADA cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $0.27 with the typical estimate cost of $202. Cardano Value Forecast 2028. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of ADA, in 2028 the cost of Cardano is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $280. The ADA cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $341 with the typical exchanging cost of $290. Cardano value expectation 2029. The cost of Cardano is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $4.27 in 2029. The Cardano cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $4.93 with the typical exchanging cost of $4.39 all through 2029. Cardano ADA value forecast 2030. The cost of Cardano is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $6.01 in 2030. The Cardano cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $7.37 with a typical cost of $6.19 all through 2030. Cardano value estimate 2031. Cardano cost is estimate to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $8.66 in 2031. According to our discoveries, the ADA cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $10.36 with the typical gauge cost of $8.91. Cardano ADA value expectation 2032. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of ADA, in 2032 the cost of Cardano is gauged to be at around a base worth of $12.84. The Cardano value worth can arrive at a limit of $15.21 with the typical exchanging worth of $13.91. Cardano value forecast 2033. According to the gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2033 the cost of Cardano is anticipated to reach at least degree of $18.46. The ADA cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $22.13 with the typical exchanging cost of $18.99. Cardano value conjecture 2040. Understanding business sector patterns and feelings is essential, however opinion can be flighty. Looking at current market elements can offer bits of knowledge into potential cost developments, however taking into account the more extensive ecosystem is fundamental. In 2040, the greatest cost of Cardano is supposed to reach $408.95. With a typical exchanging worth of $366.43. The base cost is projected to be around $346.30. ADA value figure for 2050. The reception and genuine use instances of a digital currency are similarly crucial contemplations. Projects with functional applications and far-reaching reception are bound to persevere over the long haul. According to the Cardano cost conjecture for 2050, ADA is expected to arrive at a most extreme value worth of $522 in 2050. The base anticipated cost of ADA coin in 2050 is supposed to be around $454.14, while the typical cost of the Cardano for 2050 is projected to be $477.49. Cardano value gauge facts. What is the Cardano cost today? Today, Cardano ADA is exchanging at $4,608 with the market cap of $16,444,117.48. What is the fate of Cardano? The fate of Cardano is exceptionally subject to the general exhibition of the crypto business. With regards to putting resources into ADA, you really want to ensure that you are utilizing the right procedure. This sort of speculation isn't